Guys, we are finally back on track, with Dogecoin just surging past 30 cents, Bitcoin back on track to hit 70,000, and Ethereum about to hit all-time highs. Got a lot to look forward to. I'm going to be discussing these things in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrency, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Guys, we've seen some huge pumps on the Shiba Inu charts, over 40% just within the last 72 hours. Guys, that's historic, and this kind of move is the kind of move we saw back in the day when Dogecoin pumped from 14 cents on up to 74 cents. Guys, we will likely see this kind of uptrend, this kind of bounce, and this kind of 10x like we saw in Dogecoin for Shiba Inu here very soon. So you want to be looking out for that dip, as I call it out, as well. Guys, we just saw Bitcoin pump 7%, which means that Bitcoin dominance is still in effect. However, we are seeing a lot of dominance in the altcoins now, which is very good news. And that's how I know that they will continue to move up along with Bitcoin, coupled with Bitcoin and moving up to all-time highs in this bull run cycle. When Bitcoin went down a bit, guys, it had to take that bit of a breather, allowing altcoins to gain a bit of strength. And that's what allowed a lot of people to buy into Bitcoin at that dip, and now it's headed up straight from there once again. So if you bought that dip when I called out Bitcoin, guys, you've already made a lot of money. Guys, our next level of resistance for Bitcoin is $64,000. Once it breaks past that, expect to see a lot of the altcoins pump up straight from there. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, how do I know that we're about to see an all-time high ready to be hit on the Ethereum chart? I'm seeing a reverse head and shoulders form on the charts. That is a very bullish symbol, and inevitably we will head straight up from here. We will possibly break the $4,500 all-time high here just within the next 7 days. Based on similar patterns that we're seeing right now on the Bitcoin charts, that's exactly what we saw back in our 2017 bull run, which is how I know that Bitcoin will hit over $100,000 here just by the end of this year, with a lot of the top crypto experts out there expecting more between 200 to 400,000. Guys, we're seeing a lot of green in the marketplace right now because the VAN ETF is actually being released very soon for Bitcoin, which is only causing the crypto market to have an even stronger bull run. Guys, since we're only seeing small corrections, only 10 or 20%, and then it goes straight up from there, that's how we know we're still on our bull run. Rather than big uptrends and big downtrends, it's more of a subtle pullback and a subtle uptrend, which is a continuous uptrend, and that's what we want. Guys, there's been a bit of tension historically between Shiba Inu owners and Dogecoin hodlers. On Twitter, the main Shiba Inu account asked Elon. He tweeted out and he asked Elon, how much SHIB are you actually holding? He disappointed the Twitter user very much. He replied and he said he's not holding any SHIB actually. In fact, he's only holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, which are actually my main holdings as well. Elon Musk tweeted out and he said, out of curiosity, I acquired some hash strings called Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge, and that's it. As I've said before, don't bet the farm on crypto. True value is in providing products and building services to your fellow human beings, not money in any form. Our next level of resistance for Dogecoin is 32 cents and then 35 cents. Guys, then we'll be headed to the 40s. This will happen here very soon. I'm expecting within the next couple of weeks. So you want to be positioned very well for this to come. Guys, a huge article came out titled, "Why is Dogecoin shooting up today?" Dogecoin moved higher in tandem with other major altcoins, being the third most trending cryptocurrency on Twitter, since it was mentioned almost 10,000 times on Twitter recently. With all of this hype surrounding Dogecoin, as long as it remains a good bit, it will likely pour into this huge hype that'll be coming from when Elon Musk lands an actual Dogecoin on the moon, only further propelling the price at that point. So you want to be ready for that as well. And guys, as we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, we can see a clear and consistent uptrend, with higher highs and higher lows forming. This is clearly an uptrend that we want to see. Sure, we came down a bit here and there, and when we hit the bottom, we went straight up from there. This bullish flag and pennant having formed, and of course we're going into an ascending triangle, which is completely normal and natural on a bull run just after a bullish flag and pennant. We will likely head straight up from there. So you want to be ready with some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out. So if you haven't joined my Patreon, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.